if you want to make a simple gift to put inside your gift bag, Miss Erin and I are going to teach you how to make a very easy and pretty ornament to add some sparkle to your tree.
And it comes from the book we used earlier, so Christmas Crafts, the same one that we found the directions to our gift bag in. And so I'm going to move the camera and we'll show you what you need. So the first things you'll need are a pipe cleaner, so maybe a sparkly one, kind of pretty. And then you also just need something large at the end that you'll put at the end of your ornament to hold the beads on. We're using a bell. And then you'll also need
some ribbon for the top. And you need some beads. We've got simple pony beads here of various colors. And I need about 15 of those beads to make a nice pattern on your ornament.
So the first step is you're going to take your pipe cleaner. You're going to take your anchor, so the big bead or bell that you have, and you're going to stick it through your loop.
Okay. You do a little extra on the end, and you bend it over and twist.
So that's really just to help keep your other beads on the pipe cleaner. And it's fun because it makes a noise. And then we have, I think Miss Liz said this, there's 15 beads. And then we have ours all laid out in the pattern we want it. So we can just easily take our first one and slip it onto the pipe cleaner. And then you just want to make sure you leave a little bit of space in between each bead.
You don't have to do a pattern if you don't want to. We just both enjoy patterns. It's fun math.
So I needed 15 beads. So I did a pattern that was 5 different colors. So then I needed 3 sets of those 5 different colors, because 5 times 3 is 15. So I have all my beads on. And then to make it twirly, you can either use your hand or
the marker, because I can just clip it, the bottom over like that so it stays still.
So then you're going to take your ribbon, once you have it all twisted the way you want it. I'm going to tie one end. Sorry. You want to put it at the end of your pipe cleaner, and you're going to fold your pipe cleaner over. So that it stays on. And you can tie it. Miss Liz is working on hers.
And once it's on there, just fold that down.
Fit perfectly in your gift bag.
Very cool.